I was watching a video this morning that a colleague had recommended to me from an osteopath in Australia, where they are also having their Osteopathy Awareness Week. And this Australian osteopath was talking about how she likened osteopaths to being engineers for the body. Any moving parts in the body we can deal with, whether bones, muscles, nerves, viscera, the organs in the pelvis and the thoracic cavity. If it moves, we can treat it. And so that's why I've changed the angle so you can see my skeleton poster in the background. Yeah, so I think that's a brilliant analogy to use for osteopathy. If any part of your body moves, we can treat it. Sometimes parts of the body don't move enough, and then we can coax more movement. Trickier are joints which are too floppy. Sometimes people have ligaments that are too loose. There are various medical syndromes relating to being hypermobile. That's harder to treat because we don't really want to be stretching joints that are already too stretchy, but we can look at exercises, and actually that's where cranial osteopathy can be really helpful. A very gentle way of helping the body release trauma. So if you'd like to have a chat to see whether maybe osteopathy could help you and your restrictions, your joint stiffness, maybe your hypermobility, and you're in or near Hitchin in North Herts or Sydenham in South East London, then do get in touch. I am Christina Raven of Your Body in Harmony, and my website is www.yourbodyinharmony.co.uk. I'll be back soon with some more health tips for International Osteopathic Healthcare Week. I'll see you soon. Bye.